Hello friends, in this video we are installing pencil type injectors with Teflon O-rings on a John Deere 40454 cylinder diesel engine. At the beginning I tried installing the injector without lubricating the bore and it was quite difficult. So I applied a light coat of clean engine oil inside the injector bore, and after that the injector went in smoothly without any struggle. Pencil type injectors use Teflon O-ring, which can easily tear or roll if installed dry. Light lubrication helps the injector slide in correctly and avoids damaging the seals. After lubricating the bore, we place the injector gently into position, making sure the alignment and fuel line connection were correct. Follow the same process for all four injectors. Keep everything clean throughout the installation. Once all injectors are properly seated, install the injector clamps. The clamp bolt must be tightened evenly. After securing all the injectors, install the high pressure fuel pipes. Tighten each line nut firmly and make sure there is no twist or stress on the pipes. This engine is currently in the overhauling stage, so we are not doing any priming or starting at this point. Meanwhile, my colleagues are working on installing the Tappet cover as part of the assembly process. Thanks for watching. For more engine repair and overhaul videos, don't forget to like and follow.